How often have you heard that green leafy vegetables are essential to your diet? But do you know why? These chlorophyll-packed powerhouses are chock full of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Not only do they fortify your immune system, but they also promote good digestion. These verdant veggies are more than just a side dish on your plate. They're a lifeline to a healthier you. So, are you ready to green up your diet? Let's dive into the 12 green leafy vegetables that you should include in your diet daily for optimal health. Starting with number 1 on our list, spinach. This leafy green is a real nutritional powerhouse, teeming with vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals such as iron and calcium. Regular consumption of spinach can boost your eye health and enhance your body's immunity. Next up is kale, the queen of greens. Known for its antioxidants, kale is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, and is a great source of minerals like potassium, calcium, and zinc. Eating kale regularly can help lower cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Swiss chard, our third green, is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, along with essential minerals like potassium and magnesium. Its unique health benefits include regulating blood sugar levels and improving digestion. At number 4, we have collard greens. These are excellent sources of vitamin C, calcium, and iron. Regular consumption of collard greens can help strengthen your bones and improve your digestive health. Moving on to beet greens, often overlooked but packed with nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6. They can boost your immune system and help prevent inflammation. Our sixth leafy green is romaine lettuce. It is high in vitamins A and K, offering benefits like improved eye health and better blood clotting. Watercress at number 7 is an often underestimated leafy green. It's high in vitamin K and has cancer-fighting properties. Next we have arugula, a peppery green high in calcium and potassium. It can help strengthen your bones and regulate blood pressure. At number 9, endive. This leafy green is a great source of vitamin K and folate. Regular consumption can help improve heart health. Bok choy, our 10th leafy green, is packed with vitamins A and C and can help boost immunity and maintain good eye health. Coming in at 11, turnip greens. These are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, and calcium. They can help improve bone health and boost the immune system. Last but not least, mustard greens. These are loaded with vitamins K, A, and C, and minerals like calcium and potassium. Regular consumption can help improve bone health and reduce the risk of heart disease. These 12 green leafy vegetables are not just healthy, but they can also be delicious if prepared right. So to summarize, we've journeyed through the vibrant world of 12 green leafy vegetables, each packed with a unique array of health benefits. From the iron-rich spinach to the vitamin C powerhouse that is kale, and let's not forget the fiber-filled Swiss chard, or the calcium-enriched turnip greens. We've also delved into the unique benefits of collard greens, mustard greens, romaine lettuce, arugula, watercress, endive, bok choy, and the often overlooked but nutrient-dense beet greens. Each of these vegetables offers a unique blend of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help fuel your body and promote overall health. The importance of incorporating these leafy green vegetables into your daily diet cannot be overstated. They are low in calories, high in nutrients, and can contribute significantly to your overall well-being. Remember, your health is your wealth. So take the time to invest in it by incorporating these green leafy vegetables into your daily diet. Your body will thank you.